Did you know, since Plovdiv and subsequent releases, the implant connection can be changed within compatible implant libraries at any time after you have done the scan body matching. This helps in cases where the lab wants to use a titanium base or model analog from a different manufacturer than the scan body used. With the new feature, the lab can select a different titanium base and the correct position information is transferred. Select Switch Implant Connection Library in the Expert mode. The software will only allow the selection of interfaces that are compatible in geometry to the initial selected implant type. You can switch implant connection even when your design is already finished. Note, you can only select from the installed libraries on your system. After the new selection, the existing design will be adapted to the newly chosen tie base or implant interface, as long as it is compatible with the originally selected implant type. The compatible implant libraries are defined based on the information given by the component manufacturer. Thank you for joining us at this exocad coffee break.